Welcome to the video course on technical analysis.
How to get most out of this course.
This course assumes no or minimal knowledge about technical analysis. It's suitable for beginners and students who want to learn about stock markets and how to invest using technical analysis. We would recommend if you could take notes while listening to the videos for best understanding.
What will I learn in this course?
In this course, you will learn basics of technical analysis, how to read charts, candlestick patterns, support and resistance levels, indicators such as moving average and MACD, indicators such as Bollinger bands, Fibonacci Series retracements, importance of volume, risk management, and last but not the least, final checklist to trade via technical analysis.
How is this course different from others?
This course is very easy to understand. It comprises of mini lessons with short videos. The mode of narration is very interesting and includes conversation between two characters throughout the course. The best thing about this course is that it's brief and to the point, and hence does not take much of your time.
Who is the creator of the course and what has he done before?
This course is designed by the founder. He brings 14 plus years of experience as an investor in Indian stock markets. He has worked as a full-time derivatives trader during the great financial crisis of 2008. He made a return of 14% plus CAGR in equity markets after experiencing both bull and bear markets. He is an IIM alumnus and has past experience in investment banks such as Credit Suisse and Bank of New York Mellon. He is a big follower of Warren Buffett and a SEBI-registered research analyst.
What will be the style of presentation?
This video course will be based on conversation between two characters. Curious L, who will play your role and ask a lot of questions. Expert Mike, who will answer all the questions and will share his knowledge.
So what are you waiting for? Let's begin with this video course.